cold. So we're having us a beach day today. Terry's finding sand crabs. Get some, find some, show them. So we're going to be headed to San Jose, California to do a pumpkin patch. Pick of the Patch, I believe is the name of it. Make sure you come see us if you're in the area. Buy a pumpkin from us. We will be more than happy to sell you one. We love this place. Oh, there's the sand crab. Terry's been catching them, using them as fish bait. Of course, we have his fishing pole, of course. So the weather is beautiful today. It was beautiful yesterday.
And no shirt all year.
And we're on the beach today. Look, I'm in my bathing suit. Yay! So we just wanted to touch base with y'all and let you know that we are still alive and kicking and rolling on 6 and a Dream. We'll be on the road in about 2 weeks. We will film when we're headed into the location like we always do. So just touching base with you guys. Take care. We love you back home. Rolling on 6